Hi guys, welcome to CAT CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a AutoCAD software, and this lecture is a 33, and this command is user interference command, and this command is very important for a beginner student, and this interference command is very useful and helpful. Okay, and how to this part is this command is discussed here. Okay, let's start here. This command is discussed here. Okay, at first going to this workspace is open here, and workspace is setting is very important. This is this okay, at first this is a starting point is this and click here, and workspace is setting here is very important. At first select this UN enter. This is a precision is this 0.00 this, and okay, and limit is also set here, and this limit is a perfect, and click here open. Okay, and this is a okay 0. Okay, and this is also a limit is a set here. Okay, this and this limit is this 0,0. Okay, and 100,100. Okay, and Z enter, A enter. Okay, all is perfect, and some setting is very important is this shaded. Okay, and this use a this. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a isometric view, and right click and going to this and okay, and this is a 3D dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this command is used here this interference command, and this command is create a temporary 3D solid from the interference between two set of selected 3D solid. Okay, at first two solid is created here. Click this is at first top plane, select here drawing a rectangle. Okay, this is a select here this draw a rectangle. Okay, and again select this is use a front plane. Okay, and this use this a circle is a drawing here. Okay, this, and again select this okay. Okay, and going to this press full, and this use extrude boss base. Extrude command is both is perfect is correct, and select a press full, and this is a select here this is and height this, and again select this select this use this okay, and right click okay. Okay, both is a perfect drawing this and going to this two part is separate here, and use this interference. Then how to this body is interference is used here, and click here this and select this first part is select here, and second part is select here is both part is select here this, and right click and enter, and going to this use this interference select second set of object. This is a nested selection, a check of first set, and this is click here a check. This is a this interference checking box is pop up, and going to this comparing two object with each other. Interference object is all detail is showing here. First set is 2 and second set is 0. Interference point pair found is 1, and this is a perfect. And going to this previous is this use here this previous is this, and next is this. Okay, and all is a perfect is this. Okay, and this is a drag here because all part is a mention here this. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And this red color is, this part is a interference. Okay, this is a interference part is this, and first part is this rectangle, and circle is second part, and this part is a each other, this is a 3D interference part. Okay, and this is a perfect learner. Okay, and okay, and guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.